So in this video, I would like to show you how to divide two fractions. So our problem is 12 over 72 divided by 24 over 36. So the first thing that we want to do is to change this sign. So basically, when dividing a fraction by another fraction, we want to always change this division sign into multiplication. And so we can do that by keeping this the same, writing 12 over 72, changing this to a multiplication sign. But once we change this division sign to a multiplication sign, we have to flip this fraction. So we get 36 over 24. Now what we can do is cross multiply. So what cross multiplying basically means is we're trying to simplify these two fractions, or these two numbers, and these two numbers. So it's these two numbers we're simplifying and these two numbers. So to do that, you would basically need to find a common factor and divide both of these numbers. So what is the greatest common factor of 12 and 24? That number would be 12. So basically, the greatest common factor of these two numbers is 12. And what we're going to do is divide each of these numbers by 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. And then 24 divided by 12 is 2. So we simplified this part. So now we need to simplify this part. And we need to do the same thing by finding the greatest common factor. So what is the greatest common factor of 36 and 72? So the greatest common factor of 36 and 72 is 36, because you'll know that 36 times 2 is 72. So this greatest common factor is 36. So we're going to do the same thing over here with these numbers. So 36 divided by 36 is what? 36 divided by 36 is 1. And then 72 divided by 36 is what? So 72 divided by 36 is 2. So now we have 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. And multiplying fractions is a lot easier than dividing, because whenever you're multiplying fractions, you just go straight across. So you'll just multiply 1 times 1, which will give you what? 1 times 1 is 1. And then you multiply straight across here. 2 times 2 is what? 2 times 2 is 4. And that is our answer.